And shifting focus to news from Colombo, former President Alvaro Uribe has been acquitted in the long-running witness tampering case. It was on Tuesday that the Bogota Superior Court struck down the verdict that had sentenced Uribe to 12 years of house arrest, citing insufficient evidence and even procedural errors. Uribe, who has governed Colombia from 2002 to 2010, was the first ex-president in Colombian history to be convicted of a crime. He was found guilty of asking right-wing paramilitary groups to provide false testimony to shield himself from accusations of links to illegal army groups.
I ask Providence for energy and calm discernment to work for Colombia. I ask Providence to give me all the nobility to fight for this great people, of whom I am very proud to belong, the great Colombian people.
U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio, who had earlier slammed Uribe's conviction as the weaponization of Colombia's judicial branch by radical judges, welcomed the court's reversal, calling it a triumph for justice. Responding to court's overturning, Colombian said that while the decision of the justice system must be respected, people at the top should not have more privileges than others.
I'm neither against nor in agreement with the court's ruling, but I would like everything to be fair. Those at the top should not have more privileges than those at the bottom.
The legal battle is on, however, not over as it seems, with Senator Ivan Cepeda announcing plans to appeal the decision to Colombia's Supreme Court, signaling ongoing political and judicial tensions. Colombia's current leftist president, Gustavo Petro, condemned the ruling as an attempt to cover up military governance, accusing Uribe and his allies of links to drug trafficking. It was in an interview that Petro also rejected U.S. accusations that Colombia is a drug leader and accused President Trump of what he called violating international agreements and acting as a king in Latin America.
Since we don't matter to them at all, they treat us with rudeness and slander because we have to obey. Trump said, Colombia is out of control. Of course it's out of control, from his control. In a democracy, a government is under the control of the people, not of Trump. He is not a king in Colombia. We don't accept kings here, period. He can talk to me, but as equals, between true Republicans, and there's no problem. I spoke with Biden 4 times. But to give us orders? No, sir. He doesn't come in here.